CIT 1121 Packet Tracer 12.9.1. This is the last packet tracer in the IPv6 section, and you're just going to configure some routers in here. You don't have to do a whole lot with the PCs. There's a tiny little bit, but not a ton. You turn on the interfaces, and we're going to assign some addresses. If you've watched the IPv6 videos, you should be okay on this. You are going to start with this particular address here, this 2001 DB8 ACAD. C8/64. And remember, we're just going to use /64s. We're not going to worry about subnetting right now in this class. We're just going to assign all of our global IPv6 addresses with /64s, even though the link between the two routers, we only need two addresses. We're still going to provide 2 to the 64th power of addresses for that host section, which is huge. But we have a lot more addresses in IPv6 than we had in IPv4. The other thing they're going to have you do is you're going to put 2 IP addresses on every given interface. And the link local addresses they want you to use for router 1 are always FE80::1. And for router 2, it's going to be FE80::2. So we'll do router 1, and we will do FE80::1 for router 1. Just remember to do the opposite for router 2, okay? All right, good. Okay, let's go ahead and make this just a little bit bigger. And I want to add some addresses in as we're wont to do. Oh, man. All right, cool. I'm going to move this over a little bit. I'm going to move this up a little bit, and we'll take a quick look. Okay, so the first network that we've got here is this network across the very top, and we've got 2001 DB8 ACAD:00C8 /64. So we're going to give the router the first address, which is just going to be ::1. It's this particular network with a ::1 on it. And then let's write in the second network here. So this network is going to be one greater than what we just had. So this one's going to be 2001 DB8 : and ACAD, and then : and then we have 00C8. I'm going to drop the leading zeros, and I'm just going to say C9 : /64. That would be our second network, so we can put that one on there. Now let's take a look at our third network. Gets a little bit weird. So let's go down to the third network. So we're going to go 2001 : DB8 : ACAD : C. All right, so we add 9, and remember it's hexadecimal, so 10 is actually the letter A. So this one's going to be CA : /64. So just keep that in mind. And if that one's A, then the whole thing starts to fall apart at this point. 2001 DB8 : ACAD : CB : /64. And the link in between is going to be CC, right? So 2001 DB8 : ACAD : ACC. Oops. No. CC. Just 00CC. CC and : /64. And we're ready to go ahead and put the addresses on here. So a couple of things it's going to ask you to do. First one is have the PCs auto-configure. So I'm just going to go to PC1, and I'm just going to tell it to auto-configure because there's some points on that. So just set that for auto-configure. You can do that on all of the PCs. The other thing is on router 1, when you get started, sometimes with a router, it may not be set to run IPv6 natively. So you're going to set that up. So we're going to ipconfig. From global config mode, we'll just do IPv6, and the command is unicast routing. IPv6 unicast routing, go ahead and fire that off. There's a little bit of a point value on that. And then let's set up G0/0. So we'll go int G0/0, and it's IPv6 address, and this one's going to be 2001 DB8 : ACAD ACAD colon C8 colon 1/64. Easy enough. Let's put the link local on that. It's going to be FE80 colon 1. So we'll just do link local. So IPv6 address FE80 colon 1. Link local. That interface is done. No shut. And we're scoring some points. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Let's do the other Ethernet interface. We'll do G0/1, this network. INTG0/1, IPv6 address 201 colon DB8 colon CAB ACAD colon C9 colon 1/64. Good stuff there. And IP, actually, we can just let's up arrow it until I get my same link local. It's the same address. It's the same address. And then just do a no shut on that. Cool. INTS0/0/0 IPv6 address. And I got that one written right over here, so I'm just going to go right above that. So that one's going to be 201 colon DB8 colon ACD colon C. A is on router 2, B is on router 2, CC is the one that's left. Colon 1/64. Should have scored some points on that. And same link local. And get some points on that. We'll do a no shut on that. And we should be in good shape. I don't think I missed anything on that. Let's take a quick look at the check results. And PC1 is good. And if we take a look at router 1 is all squared up. So you just have to do router 2 and the other 3 PCs, and you're good to go.